For God so loved the world that He gave us His only Son. John 3:16 and 18. Ang buhay ng isang pulis has no fixed hours, no guaranteed holidays, and often no time to rest. Habang ang iba ay kasamang pamilya, many are on duty, protecting, responding, and standing watch. On this solemnity of the Most Holy Trinity, we are reminded that God's love is self-giving. The Father gave His Son. The Son offered Himself, and the Holy Spirit continues to guide and strengthen. Ganito rin ang tunay na diwa ng police service. Every missed holiday, every sleepless night, and every sacrifice paid for others becomes a reflection of the same love, quiet, faithful, and selfless. To serve where no one sees, to protect while others sleep, is to live out the message of John 3:16. Real love is proven through sacrifice. Sa bawat tungkulin, may Diyos na nakakakita, and every faithful act of service, a police officer reflects the Holy Trinity, a love that serves and never clocks out.